The Lamborghini Temerario is the successor to the Lamborghini Huracan and Gallardo. The Huracan was Lamborghini's best-selling supersports car. The Temerario is a hybrid supercar with a twin-turbo V8 engine and three electric motors. It was unveiled at Monterey Car Week on August 16, 2024, is a groundbreaking hybrid supercar that succeeds the Huracan in Lamborghini's lineup. It features a revolutionary twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with three electric motors, delivering an impressive 920 CV, approximately 907 horsepower. This setup enables the Temerario to achieve 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.7 seconds, with a top speed of 343 kilometers per hour. The design showcases Lamborghini's signature geometric elements, including hexagonal daytime running lights and an exposed engine framed by an aerodynamic spoiler. Inside, it introduces a more spacious and comfortable cabin with a longer wheelbase, enhanced headroom, and new comfort seats, while maintaining the brand's feel like a pilot philosophy. As Lamborghini's first mid-engine plug-in hybrid supercar, the Temerario represents a bold leap into the future, blending iconic performance with cutting-edge technology and sustainability. The Lamborghini Temerario represents the next evolutionary leap in Lamborghini's storied history, combining cutting-edge hybrid technology with the brand's unmistakable flair for performance and design. Unveiled in August 2024 as the successor to the Huracan, the Temerario is Lamborghini's first production model to feature a twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with a sophisticated plug-in hybrid system. This innovative approach aligns with Lamborghini's commitment to electrification under its high-performance electrified vehicle strategy. At its core is a newly developed 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine capable of revving to an astonishing 10,000 RPM, a feat unmatched by other production supercars in its class. The internal combustion engine delivers 789 horsepower and 538 foot-pounds of torque on its own. But when combined with the power of three axial flux electric motors, the Temerario achieves a breathtaking total system output of 920 CV, approximately 907 horsepower. These electric motors include one mounted between the engine and the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, and two more on the front axle, enabling electric all-wheel drive for superior traction, agility, and handling precision. This setup allows the Temerario to rocket from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, in a blistering 2.7 seconds and reach a top speed exceeding 340 kilometers per hour, 210 miles per hour, cementing its status as a technical masterpiece. Beyond raw performance, the Lamborghini Temerario is a statement of design ingenuity and modern luxury. Its bold exterior styling is a testament to Lamborghini's dedication to pushing the boundaries of automotive aesthetics. The car's aggressive lines are complemented by futuristic, hexagonal daytime running lights, a signature design element reimagined for a modern audience. The sculpted body not only conveys power and speed, but also enhances aerodynamic efficiency, ensuring that every aspect of the vehicle serves a functional purpose. A longer wheelbase than its predecessor, the Huracan, allows for an expanded cabin space that accommodates both driver and passenger in unparalleled comfort. Inside, the Temerario adheres to Lamborghini's feel like a pilot philosophy, offering a cockpit that immerses occupants in a world of advanced technology and intuitive controls. The interior design seamlessly integrates digital displays with traditional craftsmanship, featuring premium materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather, all tailored to elevate the driving experience. Underpinning the Temerario's hybrid prowess is a 3.8 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack, which provides limited all-electric range for urban driving scenarios while serving as a critical component in boosting overall performance. The inclusion of electric motors not only enhances acceleration, but also enables precise torque vectoring, improving cornering dynamics and stability. This makes the Temerario not just a straight-line marvel, but also a track-ready machine, capable of delivering exhilarating performance on twisty circuits. The battery recharges through regenerative braking and during operation of the internal combustion engine, ensuring the hybrid system remains ready to deliver peak power when called upon. Despite its advanced hybrid technology, Lamborghini engineers have ensured that the Temerario retains the visceral auditory experience synonymous with the brand. The twin-turbo V8 engine has been meticulously tuned to produce a distinctive roar, blending the electrifying sounds of modern engineering with the iconic symphony of a high-revving Lamborghini powertrain. In terms of technical specifications, the Temerario showcases Lamborghini's relentless pursuit of automotive excellence. With a dry weight of 3,726 pounds, it balances the additional weight of its hybrid components with a lightweight construction featuring carbon fiber reinforced materials. This ensures the car retains its agility and responsiveness, characteristics that Lamborghini enthusiasts have come to expect. Measuring 4,706 millimeters in length, 1,996 millimeters in width, and 1,201 millimeters in height, the Temerario boasts a commanding presence on the road while maintaining a low aerodynamic profile. The wheelbase of 2,658 millimeters provides stability at high speeds and contributes to its spacious interior. Complementing the cutting-edge mechanics is an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, delivering lightning-fast gear changes that enhance both performance and efficiency. As Lamborghini's second HPEV model following the Revuelto, the Temerario marks a significant milestone in the brand's transition to a more sustainable future without compromising its core identity. It embodies Lamborghini's commitment to retaining the excitement and passion of traditional supercars while embracing the opportunities presented by electrification. Slated for production in 2025, the Temerario will be available to a select group of enthusiasts willing to invest in this amazing vehicle. The Lamborghini Temerario represents a new era of innovation for Lamborghini, blending hybrid technology with the brand's iconic design and performance. As the successor to the Huracan, the Temerario is the first Lamborghini to feature a twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with 3 electric motors to deliver a combined power output of 920 CV. This hybrid powerhouse enables the Temerario to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.6 seconds, with a top speed of 213 miles per hour. The model's lightning-fast pickup speed and impressive agility are further enhanced by its advanced all-wheel drive system, which ensures exceptional handling in any driving condition. The Temerario also introduces significant advancements in efficiency, boasting an estimated fuel consumption of 3.8 liters per 100 kilometers, equivalent to 62 miles per gallon, in hybrid mode, making it a more sustainable supercar while still delivering heart-pounding performance. In terms of design, the Temerario is a masterclass in aerodynamic engineering and visual drama. Its bold, futuristic aesthetic is highlighted by Lamborghini's signature geometric patterns, including hexagonal daytime running lights and sharp angular body lines. The exposed engine bay is framed by an integrated rear spoiler that optimizes aerodynamic efficiency, while aggressive side intakes and a sculpted hood enhance airflow management. The car sits on bespoke 21-inch front and 22-inch rear alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance Pirelli P0 tires, measuring 255/30Z, ER21 at the front, and 335/25Z, ER22 at the rear. These wide tires and lightweight wheels contribute to superior grip and stability, ensuring the Temerario handles like a dream even at blistering speeds. The Lamborghini Temerario is slightly larger than its predecessor, the Huracan, with a longer wheelbase that enhances interior space without compromising its agility. Inside, it redefines the brand's feel like a pilot philosophy with a driver-centric cockpit that seamlessly integrates cutting-edge technology and luxury. The cabin features advanced digital displays, a customizable infotainment system, and premium materials like Alcantara and carbon fiber. Enhanced comfort comes from newly designed seats that provide greater support during spirited driving, while offering improved ergonomics for everyday use. Color options for the Temerario reflect Lamborghini's commitment to personalization and striking aesthetics, with shades like Verde Mantis, Arancio Borealis, Giallo Evros, and Bianco Monoceros. Special edition colors, such as a limited-run metallic orange and matte black, are available for discerning buyers. Despite its cutting-edge hybrid powertrain, The Temerario retains Lamborghini's unmistakable roar, thanks to an active exhaust system that enhances the oral experience during high-performance driving. Combining breathtaking speed, luxurious comfort, and sustainable engineering, the Lamborghini Temerario is a masterpiece that boldly pushes the boundaries of modern supercars.